Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to change Instagram profile photo. So let's begin. As you can see here that we are already inside our Instagram profile. Now to change the profile picture, you can see the option of edit profile here. So you just have to tap on this and now you'll be able to see your profile picture that you already have, and you'll also be able to see edit picture or avatar option or the text. So you simply have to tap on your profile picture if you want to, or you can also tap on this edit picture or avatar. All right, so I'm going to simply tap on my profile picture. So now to change the profile picture, you have the three different options. Either you can change this from your gallery, and you can also import this from the Facebook if you want to, and you can take a new picture. So if I want to choose the image from my gallery, I will simply tap on choose from library, and now you will be able to see my library. And from here, I can simply choose any picture, whatever I want, and then I just have to tap on done button here. But actually, I want to go back, so I'm going to simply tap on this cross icon. I actually want to go here and take a new photo. So I'm going to simply tap on take photo, and I would actually take a new picture. Now you will be able to see that we have captured a new picture here. I can simply tap on done here, or if you wanted to edit this image, I can simply edit this with the Instagram editor, but I'm going to simply tap on done here. And now when you go back to your profile picture, and now you will be able to see that we have changed our Instagram profile photo. So this is how we can change the Instagram profile photo. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.